In this video guide, we're going to talk about Handbrake, which, as you can read, is a free and open source transcoder. So it's the coder or something that can help you to do some conversion of video files and audio. So this was originally, as you can see, developed to save the DVD format, file formats, video files into your hard disk in different formats like MP4 or something that could be readable also by different devices. So if we search for Handbrake in Google, we can see here the results. We can go directly in the download page. From the results, you can see it's available for Mac, Windows, Linux, and I'm gonna go for the 64-bit version of Windows. You can also download it in a zip file, and you can extract once it's downloaded with the right click. And well, you can choose. And in this case, you can see the file has been downloaded in my download folder, but you can choose any folder. Double click to open it up, and now we can run the installer. So just go here in the wizard, go next, decide where you want to install it. It's a really small application, so it will take really short time, and I can create a desktop shortcut so that I can open it up real easy. This is the shortcut right here. If you right click, you can add it, of course, to the start menu or to your application menu. Double click, let's open it up and let's see what this is about. And it's a really simple application. It's really small, and this is in Italian right now because it's detecting the language of my system, but you should see in English or in your language. I'm gonna show you how you can change it. So first of all, here we can drag and drop in this area the files, or we can open it a single file from here or an entire folder from here. But I'm just gonna skip this, and I want to go directly into File, and also from here you can open up sources and you can run the conversion. But right now, first thing I want to do is change the language. So I'm going to go to the tools, or right here, the second menu, preferences, and here I want to switch from Italian into English so that you can follow along in English. So you need to close the application again and then reopen it, and you should see now in the language that you've chosen in the preferences. So you can see you can drag and drop, or you can open up a folder or a file. So let's start with the simplest thing, or which is opening a file. So I'm going to go in this folder right here and select, let's say, this file right here. Okay, so you can see this is a video, and it's detecting all the various information. So it's telling me here the FPS, so frame per second, and the resolution, and if it has audio, if you have subtitles, etc., etc. Now, down here we have the title, and we can change if we have like uploaded multiple videos. We can change it from here, and we can define the chapters. We can see the duration. We can see the chapters. We can use the presets to convert. So I can do this, which is the standard, or I can change it. You can see you have so many presets right here. So let's say that I want to change it from full HD into something else, like Amazon Fire in HD format, or 720p pixel and 30 frames per second. So I can change it into this format right here, or I can use another one. So let's say I want to use here, I don't know, like PlayStation 2K. So you can see it's changing here the various settings. So every time you choose a preset, things are going to change right here. So this is a summary of everything that's going to be changed, and you also have a preview of different parts of the file. You can also click here to see a preview in video, and here you can change. You can see dimensions. You can also crop if you want the video file. Also here we could change again the resolution. Here we can define some borders, and here you can apply filters like the noise or sharpen and other things to fix or adjust a little bit the image. And here you have the video compression, so you can use these quality settings, or you can use the average bitrate if you want. And here you can change the FPS, so frame per second, and here the encoder into something else that you may want to use. So once you're ready, you can see that they will change a little bit here, the encoder options, and so on. And here you have audio files. So you can see that I have I can change also here the bitrate, the codec, and this is the file that is coming from. And here I can change from mono to stereo. I can also gain and use different sample rates, and you can change also here the bitrate or the quality setting. Now, if you think you wanna save this you can also add subtitles, chapters, and if you are ready, you wanna save these to reuse it again some other time, you can save these as a new preset. So let's save these as custom preset 1, and here you can also add a description. You can add a category for your preset, and again you can change the resolution limit. You also have here audio and subtitles. So again, here you can choose languages. You can also add multiple languages, so you can define different languages, different subtitles. You can change it also here. You can add tracks. You can change the decoder right here. So you can do a bunch of settings. I don't want to go into technical things. This is just kind of an introductory video guide on how to use it. And so you can save this, and this will be saved again in here. So if I do add, this is going to be added into the presets. And anytime you want to reload, you can reload the presets you're working with. So if you change things here, you can reload and it's going to bring back the original. Now you can start from an existing preset and then you can customize it, and you can save as a new preset, or you can reload it anytime. And here at the top, you will find the custom presets that you created. So anytime you want to get it back, you can just click here and there it is. So let's get some general here. So let's do very fast 720p, and again, everything will be taken care of here on these panels. So let's say that you want to add more videos. So you want to convert and work on multiple files, not just one single file. So first of all, you can add to the queue. If you click here, okay, it's telling me that the output directory doesn't exist. So you need to make sure you have a correct directory. And here you also have the presets, and you can manage also here the presets if you want. But let's say that you want to change the directory where things are going, so you can add more videos. Otherwise you cannot do it. You can start to encode, but again, it's going to give you this problem here. So I think this is due to the fact that I changed the name, the language, so it changed also the name. So you can go here, path to media player, and this is the path where it will find the media player if you want to run a preview, which is in my case VLC, which is another open source application that you can download and install, and you will find the video guide about this. Now if we go in the output files, we can define the default path. So if I go browse, I can say, okay, I want to save this, for example, into the video folder of Windows or in any other folder. But like in this case, I had to change it because it was probably in Italian and it didn't recognize that. Now I just close the application again. I just want to show you also that you can add multiple files selecting a folder, or you can also drag and drop a file or a folder here. So it's just a standard drag and drop. So if you have a folder, you can just click and drag it right here. Or in this case, I'm just gonna select this folder. So it's now detecting all the files that it can convert, which could be also simple images sometimes. So you can do like different conversions, not just video files. Now, when it's finished, you can see here that is starting from one of these, which I can see the preview. And here I can change also the file. So you can see these are different video files, and I have previews for all of these video files. So I can set up a different preset for each single file. So I can say, okay, I want to use this converter to this and this one here, and so on. So you can set up everything, and then you can just add to the queue right here. Now you can see it's working because I've changed the directory where the output files are going to be. And so I can change now and add to the queue, and continue here, change and add to the queue. So I can go through all of these different files, add it to the queue. You can say also add all, and it's gonna add everything. And yeah, it's kind of overriding similar videos. So you can see I have now 31 things in the queue. So I can do start queue from here. I can also open up the queue and see what's happening here. I can also take off things from the queue. I can reset, I can edit, I can do play file, other actions from here, statistics and other stuff. Now when you're ready, you can just do start queue and it's gonna start converting all these files. So let me just take some of these off because there are really a lot of files. So I'm just, okay, really quickly deleting this. Okay, let's say that I have just 2 videos. I can do start queue and this is gonna start to convert. So you can see now, actually I selected desktop as a output destination. So I just need to wait for this to be processed and rendered. So you can see here you have information in the status and also information about the presets that you're using, and all other infos are right here. So this will be all for this video guide. If you enjoyed, please subscribe to the channel. We have also other video guides and other video courses about video editing and montage and many other topics that you can see in the channel. So check the playlist, check the channel. And also, if you want to give us a little thank you, you can join the channel as a supporter. Write your comments, questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next.